Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. As-salatu was-salamu alayka ya sayyidi ya Rasulullah. As-salatu was-salamu alayka ya sayyidi ya Habiballah. As-salatu was-salamu alayka ya sayyidi ya Nurullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are congregating here tonight for Hubbi Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, to show our love for the pride of creation, mercy to mankind, and beloved of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Sayyidina wa Habibana Muhammadan Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. We welcome everyone with warm hearts, and we are very happy to see the beautiful smiling faces that are shining with the love of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. This grand Mawlid al-Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam program is organized by the Naqshbandi Islamic Center of Vancouver under the guidance and leadership of Mawlana Shaykh Nurjan Mirahmadi damat barakatuhumul aliyah. MashaAllah, this is our third year celebrating the holy birth of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. And this celebration is holding a strong bearing against extremist ideology and coming against any sort of violence and discrimination. It is about time that moderate and peace-loving Muslims to come and be united to show mercy, love, compassion, and tolerance towards all communities. Before we move towards the program and begin with welcoming message from our chairman, Mawlana Shaykh Nurjan, the Naqshbandi Islamic Center would like to thank everyone who helped us organize this event, especially Mawlana Shaykh Sayyid Nurjan Mirahmadi and his wife Haja Fatima Mirahmadi for their leadership, dedication, and untiring efforts to put this beautiful program together year after year. We would like to thank Hazrat Mawlana Abdul Latif Nomani, Damat Barakatuhumul Aliyah, who is leading scholar and Imam of Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'ah and serving the community for almost 2 decades in BC now. A thanks to Brother Asim Khan from International Muslim Academy and his Fiji Islamic Center, which is a big supporter of monthly Hubbi Rasul program. Hazrat Pir Sayyid Riazuddin and his sons, Sayyid Ahmed from Edmonton and Sayyid Najam for their love and support. We say thank you to Pir Afzal Naqshbandi and his Bulle Shah Academy for their participation. A special thanks to Chairman Masjid Awliya Allah, Janab Badiuddin Sorwardi Sahib, our brother Haider Ali Khan, and the member of Masjid Awliya Allah Committee, our brother Muhammad Iqbal Qadri and his Qadri Jamaat, our brother Amir from Gulberg Market to promote our flyers. Especially a very good thanks to executives of Pakistan Canada Cultural Association, Mr. Naveed Varaij and Sayyid Farooq for their support on social media. We would like to thank our media partners, the newspapers, especially a newspaper which is leading in the community now, named as Community Times. We'd like to say thank you to Miracle and Chaudhry Barait Sahib for their newspaper, for the Canada Times, for their advertisement. A very special thanks to Mr. Harpreet Singh for doing a broadcast of a one full program which broadcasted an interview with Mawlana Shaykh Nurjan Mirahmadi on national television. We would like to say thank you to the Red FM for doing announcements for our program. And last but not least, we would like to say thank you to the members of the owners of this place, the venue, the Mr. Michael and Bobby executives of Riverside Signature Hall for always providing the venue for our program. This is a family event, and please maintain utmost respect for ladies, elders, and keep honor of the mahfil and enjoy the program, inshallah. Food will be served followed by the desserts, including cake, to guests after ziyarah of holy relics, inshallah. Now I request Honorable Chairman of Naqshbandi and Nazimiyya Center, Shaykh al-Mashayikh, Qibla Hazrat Mawlana Shaykh Sayyid Nurjan Mirahmadi damat barakatuhumul aliyah to deliver a welcoming message.
Can they hear in the back? Some working in the back? أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين سيدنا ومولانا محمد المصطفى صلى الله عليه وسلم الحمد لله الحمد لله الحمد لله. Allah Azza wa Jal gave us good life, long life to see another Milad al-Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. And we thank all our families for putting this event on, for all the people that we may not know that work behind the scenes. The ones who are putting all the beautiful decorations onto Nabila and decorating the stage and decorating everything around, all the people who are helping within the kitchen, that these are all professionals within the community. And they give from their love and their time, their khidmat in the way of Allah Azza wa Jal and Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Those who drove 15 hours through snowstorms, those who continuously support on a weekly and monthly basis, continuously showing this is not one organization, but this is the entire community. And that all the community coming together to show the love of Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. So we thank all the people who came through the snowstorm and rainstorms to show their love for Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. We pray that Allah Azza wa Jal accept that love, that Prophet accept that love and dress us with that rahmah, dress us with that barakah and that blessing. Take away difficulty for us, from our lives, from our families and from our communities. Ya Rabbi, dress us with the lights and the beauty of Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Muhammad Muhammad al-Mustafa wa bismillah Surat al-Fatiha. Sorry we had to talk over the pukaros.